Today we will show how to place a part that has a round hole and align it with the center of a square hole. For our example today, we're using the same frame that we've been working on, and we're going to put a bearing on one of the C channels. I've navigated to the kit of parts where the bearings are, and I'm going to say right click, insert into current design, and it comes over to a center position. Rotate it 90 degrees this way, and then I'll just pull it down the line here, and now I'm going to go to my point to point move, and I'm going to orbit and move, pan, zoom a little bit, and find the circle that I want to match with the square hole. Click on it, make sure the center point is marked. Now I've gotten the center of that circle, and I can't put it to the center of this hole because there is no center of the hole, that's just empty space. I'm going to put it to the center of this edge line, and then I will move it. If I move it 1/2 inch, it'll line up exactly with that hole, but I want to move it down 3 holes, so I need to move it 1.5 inches. If you need to move it some other number of holes, it just needs to be an integer number of 1/2 spaces. So every number will end in either 0.5 or 00. We click OK, and if we move around to the side view, we'll see that that is lined up exactly with the holes. Another way to do this is to insert a bearing into the current design. Again, we move it out. We need to rotate it 90 this way, and we need to rotate it 90 this way, and slide it on down to the other side. Now this time when we do our point to point, select the hole that we're working with. We are going to put it to the edge of the hole that we want to align it with. So now we have it at the edge of that hole, and we just need to move it a distance of 1/2 hole to down the line. And earlier on we had measured that the size of these holes are 0.182 inches. So the number we have to move is half that, or 0.091. That should put us exactly in the center here. And if I click on this so I get a straight on view, I can see that it's correct.